Understanding Pickup Point, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pickup point. This is a common term you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially when discussing transportation or logistics. Let's dive in and understand its various contexts and uses. A pickup point refers to a specific location where people, goods, or vehicles are collected or meet. It's a designated spot for someone to be picked up by another person or service. For example, at an airport, there might be a sign saying, "Pickup point for taxis," indicating where taxis collect passengers. 1. Transportation. In a bus or taxi service, a pickup point is where passengers are collected. 2. E-commerce. For online shopping, a pickup point is where customers collect their orders. 3. Events. During events, a pickup point is where people meet or are collected, like a rendezvous spot. It's not the same as a drop-off point, which is where passengers or goods are left. Not every location can be a pickup point. It is usually a pre-arranged or designated spot. I'll meet you at the pickup point outside the train station. The pickup point for online orders is at the store entrance. Understanding the term, pickup point, can help you navigate various situations, from traveling to receiving packages. We hope this video has clarified its meaning and use for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.